Alright, good day mga ka-Exas grinders. So, update tayo ngayon, no? Sa ating AXS for date December 2. Okay, let's start first with AXS. Currently, tumaas ang price niya, nasa $9.14. And, nasa 11.34% ang increase. And then, punta tayo ngayon sa hindi dyan, play to rise. Okay, so for play to rise, daily bounties. Alright, standard premier, standard board. Atia, 10 points, all goods. Win 1 battle classic, 35 points, all goods. Win 1 origin battle, 35 points, all good. So for day 1 or Monday, that's gonna be 0.18 AXS estimated earning. So this week, nakakompleto na tayo ng premier ticket. So meron na tayong premier access sa premier board. So tingnan natin. Okay na itong 19 points, win 1 battle sa classic. And okay na rin itong 90 points, win 1 battle sa classic using 2 aqua team. So today, for day 1, meron tayong 109 points with estimated earnings na 0.23 AXS. Now let's go to our staking. AXS staking. Alright, so currently 11.04001 AXS, and tumaas nga ang price niya, so mga nasa $101.51 na siya. And may claimable rewards tayo this coming Wednesday na 0.0518777 AXS. Sa inlang update, comments, and follow na rin.